Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So as you all know, previously we have completed exercise number 11.1 of chapter number 11 constructions. Now go for the exercise number 11.2, which are some construction on triangles. Okay, so let's see. Number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 7 centimeters, angle B equals to 75 degrees, and AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeters. AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeters. Okay. So first, what you need to do for this construction of triangle ABC. So see, there is a line segment BC is of 7 centimeters. Okay. So draw a line segment BC is of 7 centimeters. Okay. After that, see, angle B is 75 degrees. Okay. So how can we construct the angle of 75 degrees? So for that, take B as a center. You know about that as we done in previous lecture. Suppose this is the semicircle is of 180 degrees straight angle. We know that this is 60, 120 and this one is 180 degrees. Okay, but we need 75 degrees. So 75 which lies between 90 and 60 है ना, 90 और 60 के बीच में 75 आएगा. So for that we have already an angle of 60 degrees. So we have to construct an angle of 90 degrees. So for that, from this arc and this arc, make arcs here. So after that, you get an angle of 90 degree. Okay, but we need 75 degree. Okay, so between 90, sorry. So between this 90 and 60, between this, from this draw an arc and from 60 draw an arc. So from this intersecting point pass a line through B, so you get this angle which is of 75 degrees. Okay, now so there are sum of two sides AB and AC. We know that in a triangle ABC there are three sides AB, BC and AC. BC is already given 7 centimeters separately, but other two sides are in summation form. AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeters. Okay, so AB plus AC 13 centimeters. So from point B, suppose this is arc. Ray BX. Okay, so from B at 13 centimeters, make an arc and name it any point P. Okay, so from B to P is of 13 centimeters. Now join P to C. After that, join P to C. That means PC is another line segment. Now, what is next step? Draw a perpendicular bisector of PC. So we know that how to draw perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector of PC. So from P, make an arc. First you have to measure more than half of PC. After that, something around, okay, from P make an arc upside and downside. Similarly, from C, make an arc up and down. So from these two arcs, intersecting points of these two arcs, pass a line this. Okay, and जहां पे intersect होगी यहाँ पे name it A. Join A to C. Join A to C. So you can see this is our triangle ABC. Okay, so ABC is a triangle. Okay, justification जो है उसमें आपको यहाँ पे show करना है AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeters. So after constructing this triangle, you have to measure AB, this AB side, AB plus this AC. Okay, substitute here value of AB. You get here AB. Okay, measure from by using scale and also for AC. So by addition of AB and AC, if you get a value approx 30, okay, nearest to 13, 13.1, 13.2, otherwise 12.8, 12.9, 30, approx value हो सकती है. ठीक है, so if you get the value around 30, that means this construction is true. Okay. Once again, first you have to construct a line segment BC. After that, angle B 75 is given to you. So construct an angle of 75 degrees. Take a ray B to B to X. Now AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. So from B to 13 centimeters, make an arc here. Join that point to other vertex C. Draw a perpendicular. Okay, this perpendicular intersect this BP in a point A. Join A to C. Hence our triangle ABC is ready. After that, this is the justification you need to show. Okay, similarly number 2 जिसमें आपको AB minus AC given है. ठीक है, so उसमें जैसे यहाँ पे 13 सेंटीमीटर हमने लिया था, so वहां पे आपको 3.5 सेंटीमीटर से लेना है. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो नंबर 3 जो है, यस नंबर 3 जो है उसमें PR माइनस PQ है. सी नंबर 2 जो है उसमें ट्राइंगल ABC जो है, फॉर दैट गिवन टू यू AB माइनस AC, AB माइनस AC, बट इन थर्ड there is a triangle PQR. So compare these two, AB minus AC. So here PQ minus PR होना चाहिए ना, but you can see in number 3 PR minus PQ is given. PR minus PQ, that means PR minus PQ, that means PR is greater than PQ. Obviously तभी जाके उन दोनों का subtraction 2 होगा. That means you have to take an arc from this below side. Okay, यहाँ पे जो हमने upper side ये जो arc ली है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में, थर्ड में क्या करना है आपको, नीचे आर्क लगानी है. आफ्टर दैट जॉइन दिस पॉइंट टू दैट, देन परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. आफ्टर दैट योर ट्रायंगल इज रेडी. ओके, सो होमवर्क में आप लोग सेकंड एंड थर्ड कर सकते हो. नाउ गो फॉर द नंबर 4. Construct a triangle XYZ yes, 1 minute. triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30 degree, Z is 90 degree and XY plus YZ plus ZX, XY plus YZ plus ZX equals to 11 centimeters. Okay, see. So construct a triangle XYZ and given to you X is, yes, sorry, Y is 30 and Z is 90 degree. And in number 1, you know there are sum of 2 sides and here sum of 3 sides, XY, YZ and ZX is 11 centimeters. Okay, and no other measurements is given to you. Okay, so first you have to construct a line segment is of this 11 centimeters. Okay, naming any other from that because XYZ is a required triangle, so other than that take AB is a line segment of 11 centimeters. Okay, because this is the sum of 3 sides, but we take here only AB is of 11 centimeters. Okay, now Y is 30 and Z is 90, so here you have to construct an angle of 15. Okay, see, this is 60, 120 and 180, so this is the angle of 30 degree, 0 and 60, between 0 and 60 30, and between 30 and 0 here is of 15 degrees. Okay, why 15 degrees? Because यहाँ पे आपको y 30 given है, so 30 जो है उसका हाफ लेना है. Similarly यहाँ पे आपको ये 90 given है, so 90 का हाफ 45 लेना है. Okay, so first this is an angle of 90 degrees and this one is the 45 degrees. Okay, now so name it X. So there are two line segments created, AX and BX. Okay, so draw perpendicular bisectors of the line segments AX and BX. So from A and from X, draw an arcs upside and downside, so you get this perpendicular bisector, something like this. Okay, so from A make an arc here upside and downside, similarly from X up and down. Okay, similarly perpendicular bisector of BX also, so you get okay, so this is the, so from X make an arc up and down, similarly from B up and down. Okay, and join these two arcs. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर्स जो है वो जहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे वहाँ पे आपको लाइन ज्वाइन करनी है. सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, so name it X, this is our Y and this one is Z. You can see our Z is of 90 degree है ना, परपेंडिकुलर दिख रहा है, ये 15 डिग्रीज होगा, सॉरी 30 डिग्रीज होगा, and this is our X. So triangle XYZ is ready. Okay, similarly you can do number 5 also. उसमें आपको राइट एंगल गिवन है, सो राइट ट्रायंगल गिवन है, दैट मीन्स ऑब्वियसली उसका एंगल जो है वो 90 डिग्री होगा. सो वो आपको गिवन नहीं है बट आपको पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है। सो हुज बेस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर्स। सो बेस दैट मींस उसका जो फर्स्ट लाइन सेगमेंट जो होता है, फर्स्ट जो ड्रॉ करते हैं वो आपको 12 सेंटीमीटर्स गिवन है। सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 12 सेंटीमीटर्स, ओके, 12 सेंटीमीटर्स। देन यहाँ पे आपको 90 डिग्री का एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है। आफ्टर दैट सम ऑफ इट्स हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड अदर साइड, दिस इज अदर साइड एंड दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूज बिकॉज opposite to right angle is a hypotenuse, so sum of them is 18 centimeters। so यहाँ पे आपको जैसे फर्स्ट में हमने 13 सेंटीमीटर्स पे आर्क लगाया था, यहाँ पे आपको स्टिल फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू 18 सेंटीमीटर्स पे आर्क लगाना है। आफ्टर जॉइन दिस टू पॉइंट्स, ओके, देन परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, देन आवर ट्रायंगल इज रेडी, ओके। सो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ जो है वो सेम टाइप की है, फोर्थ जो है वो डिफरेंट थी जो मैंने यहाँ पर आपके एक्सप्लेन कर दी है, ओके। सो योर चैप्टर नंबर 11 इज ओवर हियर, ओके। इट्स वेरी इजी चैप्टर। होमवर्क में आप लोगों को रिपीट क्लास वर्क एंड 2, 3 एंड 5 and question number 2, 3 and 5 of exercise number 11.2, okay. So this is your today's homework. So see you next lecture with the next chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Till then, goodbye and take care.